Hey everyone, welcome back to Life and Language Podcast channel. I'm Ben. So this morning I was making coffee and I accidentally used salt instead of sugar. Grimaces. Do not recommend. Anyway, that got me thinking. Sometimes the smallest things make a huge difference. And that is exactly what today's video is about. So today I want to show you 3 tiny phrases that will instantly make your English sound way more natural. Okay, phrase number 1. I mean. Native speakers use this all the time to add a little extra thought. Like, the movie was okay. The acting was great, but the story was kind of boring. See how it feels like real thinking out loud? That's the goal. Phrase number 2. You know what I mean? This one keeps a conversation alive. After you say something, just add, you know what I mean? It invites the other person in. Supernatural. And number 3, to be honest. This one is gold. To be honest, I was really nervous. Instantly sounds like a real person talking, not a textbook. 3 tiny phrases. Huge difference. Try using just one of them today. I promise people will notice. See you in the next one.